let's talk about how to load data in stata. First question is, what kind of data can stata read, right? Yeah. So to answer this question is that stata does not read any kind of data in your laptop, in your PC. Yeah. So there are just some of the data that will be useful for you that we'll talk about. So to start with, stata is able to read different types of data and it's able to save and export different types of data. If let me get data, let me open it. Okay. So stata cannot open music files. Yeah, I'm sure that you know. But it can open open this kind of data set. So stata is able to open first of all stata data. Okay, stata data, yeah, which is saved with an extension called DTA. So let's talk about extensions. So extension files. So an extension files. Sorry. Okay. Extension files. You can just say this is a certain type of data which a software, a program is able to read or is able to understand. So stata was programmed to read different types of files. First of all, we have files with, so you find file names with an extension. So it starts with .dta. So this is data, stata data files. Then it's able to read log files. Yeah, log files with an extension log. Then stata is able to read do files, which is .do or edu. Yeah, so then stata is able to read extension files, Excel files, XLS, X, yeah, or XLS. Then stata is able to read text files, .text, and the stata is able to read CSV files. Yeah. What's the okay? Anyway, we'll come back to this CSV. I've forgotten the I don't know if it's .csv or the limit. Anyway, come back to that. Then stata is able to read SPSS files, SPSS data file, which is .cav. Yeah. So now how do you load data in stata? So to do that, if we open stata, let's go to file. If you go to file, it's open. If you want to open data direct, you can go click on open, then you look for a folder where you've saved your data. Example, I can go on desktop, I have data in this folder. So have you seen the extension data type? These are DTA, meaning that these are Excel files. I mean, these are stata files, sorry. DTA, like that. Okay, then if you want to bring in data from a Excel, I would say. So you can go back here, then go to import. As you see, so import, you can import XLS text data, like I've said. So delimited.csv, yeah, sure, remember that. So SPSS data dot survey SAS data dot SAS7bd dot text data in fixed format, text data in fixed format with dictionary. All these formats can be opened in stata. Okay, this is one way that you can open Excel file. So just click here, browse. So by clicking on browse, you are looking for that file where it's being saved. So it's on desktop. Let's check this one. Then which is this? Then yeah, then you can click on open. Then by default, stata. So in this file, line 1, there are variable names. But on top, it's saying that you have letters like A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Now, if we click on open, these A, B, C, D will become the variable names, which won't make sense because these are the variable names. So to do that, you click on import first row as variable names, and they'll cross to the top part so that it saves it. Yeah, then the data will start on this one, on line 2 or row number 2. Okay, then import all data as strings. These are not strings, these are numeric, so it's better to get them the way they are. Then you click on OK. Then cell range. Cell range, in case data only, so it's saying from A1, where it's saying from, choose A1 on top before clicking. Let's say A1 was here, like A1 from here. Yeah, so it's going to get everything from here until G71. So G, there's data up to 71 down there. So it's going to pick everything that, assuming we didn't have data on F and G, then it's supposed to end at F. So I mean E. So here to be from A1 to E71. Then these will remain blank. So you can choose to select how you want this to be. Later on G, trying to remove some of the things, yeah. But so by default, stata will check where the data is ending and will put for you there. And just put this as and click OK. Then you're able to read this. So the command that you can use if you just want to type is import Excel. So by saying import Excel, you are importing data from Excel. Then this path, C users means desktop, then it finds this file called meb whatever there. Yeah, nice is data set example dot xls x. So this is an extension. Then it will close, comma. Then sheet. The sheet is called data. Then it should be inverted commas like that. Then first row means that pick the first row as variable names, which are these, and your data will open. Okay. Open data in Excel. I mean in Stata. All right. Thank you very much for watching this.